So huge advocate for video content. If it scares the hell out of you, it's probably a good sign. Probably just do a 1-minute video of, hey, I want to start doing more video content. So there's going to be more video content on here, not used to doing it, so bear with me, but I'm going to start posting a bit more regularly. Just wanted to say hey to my network and let you know that I'm going to be doing a bit of content. So I'll see you soon. That can be the video. It's 20 seconds. That's the first one. But get that first one rolling. I promise you, one, it won't be as bad as you think it will. To get some really good feedback from people, because a lot of people want to do video content, they're just terrified of doing it. The fact that you're one of the people that's doing it, really important. Really small number of people that post content onto LinkedIn, a very small number. There's an even smaller number of people that post video content on LinkedIn. So looking to differentiate yourself, it's a really good way of doing it. The number of people that post content is like single-digit percentages for the number of people that are on the platform. And the number of people that post video content is like point percentages, like multiple decimal places. It's one of the best ways to, one, again, nurture, let people know who you are, what it is that you do, but also just start to warm people up. So that they're more likely to reply and respond. Does that kind of make sense?